Hello Haberfield, stage 3. Here's a little example of a ternary composition using the soundscaping technology. You can see the A, B, A pattern, and then I'm going to show you how to download it as a WAV file. Here's what it sounds like. So once you've finished your composition, got it in the either binary or ternary form, next is to download it as a WAV file. You click on that button, then you export to WAV file. Mine's called Mr. CW, and it comes down here when you're using the Google Chrome browser. And that's the browser you need to use when you're working on using this piece of technology. Once you've downloaded your composition as a WAV file, the next job is to log into your student portal, then go to this section where it says learning, expand it, and you'll see only 2 programs there. If you go more, you will see Google G Suite. Click on that and there it is. You've come to Google Drive. We click on that, we expand it, go to our Google Drive. The next thing you have to do is to drag the recording and drop it into your Google Drive. Then it uploads, and you can see here it's uploading quite quickly, and before you know it, there it is. It's going to appear here, abracadabra. There it is. Click on that, highlight it. The next job is to share it on your Google Classroom where we're doing our project. So we click that, opens up, then you have to get a shareable link. There's the shareable link. Copy that, copy the link, and now you're ready to post it into the Google Classroom where we're doing our project. Got the link, you click the plus sign over here, and that gives you the option to add a post. Then this little button here means you can click add a link. So you've copied it and now you paste it in. You can use Control V is to paste, add the link, and there's the link. And then the next job is to, here is my post. What you also need to do is tell me if it's in binary or ternary form, and you need to describe the sounds that you've included in your composition. Post it, and you're all done. I will mark it, go back and check it, and you'll see your mark. Down here, you'll see the links to the Australian curriculum in music and digital technologies, and down here you'll see how I'm marking each section of this little project. Enjoy!